The first slide, very important piece of news that, and why am I sharing this with all? From your president about his own life, what he feels the CA communities he shared with you in other areas. Our president of areas where practice or become biggest piece of news that was there in the news very recently. You can all go. SBI, which is India's largest. So you are aware there are banks. Private banks are HDFC. Banks are SBI. Baroda. So
Aniket sir.
In the country.
अनिकेत सर,
यस,
शायद आपका आवाज थोड़ा ब्लर हो रहा है, तो अगर आपका आवाज थोड़ा वीक हो रहा है तो वीडियो नहीं तो आपको आप टर्न ऑफ करोगे वीडियो, आपका वीडियो. हाँ, कैन यू
हियर मी बेटर?
हाँ, यस, नो, हाँ, वी कैन ट्राई फॉर सम टाइम. Yes, sir.
Okay,
please speak, sir.
Please just let me know if there is any interruption in the sound. Till then, let me just 1 second check my audio settings also if there are any problems in that.
Now it is much better. It is much better now.
It is
wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, I appreciate. Thank you very much. So yes, let's then go back to this slide where I was talking to you about the public sector banks, the private banks, and SBI, as we all know, is the largest public sector bank. It is probably more than all the banks put together in one way in terms of the number of accounts, in terms of the advances, the deposits that they handle. And what is very critical in this news item that many of our young friends will not know is that SBI was looking to appoint a CFO. You are aware, CFO is the Chief Financial Officer who looks after the entire finance accounts of the enterprise in which he's working, in this case, the SBI Bank. And the SBI came out with an advertisement that salary of 1 crore rupees will be given to a chartered accountant of who's appointed as CFO of SBI. Now, there are CFOs who are getting much more than 1 crore also, and they are chartered accountants, but they are all in the private sector, in private banks. The biggest point that we must understand is that in public sector, there is a hierarchy system. Some of your parents or your relatives will be in government service. There are scales that government employees have to follow. You may be in level 1, 2, 3, it goes up to level 17. The Cabinet Secretary of India, which is the biggest post, the highest level that a person can leave in reach in public service, he has a consolidated salary of 250,000 per month. Even the Chief Justice, the Chief of Army Staff, the C&AG, all constitutional posts, they have a limit on the salary that they can draw. But here in SBI, they are appointing a CFO as a chartered accountant with a salary of 1 crore. So he will be making more than any other government employee, government officer. More importantly, please note he's an employee of SBI, but he is making more salary than the chairman and managing director of SBI. That, my dear friends, is the importance of the chartered accountant profession. That is the value society. RBI, which is the biggest regulator in the world for banks, one of the largest regulators, is attaching to the qualification of chartered accountant. तो अगर आप MBA फाइनेंस से और आप CFO बनना चाहते हैं SBI का, आप नहीं बन सकते. आपने हार्वर्ड से, स्टैनफोर्ड से, दुनिया की सबसे अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी से फाइनेंस पढ़ा है, स्टिल अगर आपको SBI के CFO बनना है, आपको एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट होना जरूरी है. That is the importance and the value that this course has. I wanted to share this slide just so that I can give the importance to you. We've all heard Chitlange sir about how उन्होंने उनकी फैमिली को बताया कि आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट करिए. I shared with you, कोई भी पिता अपने नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को कब कोई कोर्स करवाएगा, when he sees that there is enormous benefit, enormous respect in the market for this course. So dear colleagues, today when we are talking about the career counseling, I saw a lot of questions कि ये CA course में क्या cost लगता है. Some of you wanted to know what are the levels. Some of you also did not know what is ICI, कि क्या auditor अलग होता है और CA अलग होता है. In this 30 minutes that I have to share with you all the sessions, all about the ICI, about the Chartered Accountancy course. I will try and take you through this. There are some 33 slides that we will go through. Let me now take you to the first and foremost important slide. काफी लोगों को क्वेश्चन आता है कि ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, क्या है? It is a statutory body established by an Act of Indian Parliament through the Chartered Accountants Act of 1949. Please understand, कोई भी college, even the IIMs of this country, they are all registered maybe as trust, maybe as a non-profit organization, but they all have a legal entity which is prescribed in some other act or law. अगर वो सोसाइटी बनती है तो बॉम्बे पब्लिक सोसाइटीज में बनते हैं, अगर वो ट्रस्ट बनता है तो वो ट्रस्ट एक्ट के अंदर बनता है. इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया ना एक ट्रस्ट है ना एक सोसाइटी है, ये एक खुद का एक्ट है विच इज क्रिएटेड बाय द पार्लियामेंट, दैट इज द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट. आज की तारीख में इसमें कुछ भी चेंज करना है तो द लोअर सभा and the upper house, the Rajya Sabha, both have to make an amendment of the act. It goes to the President of India, he signs it, and then any changes in the CA Act can become. Let me give you a small example. Only 2 years ago, we changed the course curriculum. और वो जो course curriculum change हुआ, it went through both houses of parliament. President से approval आई और इसको launch 1st July को नरेंद्र मोदी जी, our honorable Prime Minister of India, launched the new CA curriculum. So this is not a body which is like any other college or like other any institute. This Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is through an act of parliament. और एक बहुत important चीज आप सबको notice करनी चाहिए, because आप सबने स्कूल में पढ़ा होगा, you would have read it in your school years. The Constitution of India was adopted on the 26th of January 1950. So till that time, India में parliament का structure, elections नहीं हुए थे. There was a constituent assembly which passed the Constitution of India. This is our bedrock of our country's foundation. But before even adopting the Constitution, just think the importance back in the day also, our profession was given by the country, by all the countrymen, and more importantly by the Constituent Assembly, that before passing the Constitution of India, they passed the Chartered Accountants Act of 1949. No other profession, my dear friends, has this amount of privilege attached to it. And the word chartered itself is drawn from the British parliamentary system, and that also has a lot of respect and a word attached to it. हम chartered accountant हैं. In some countries they call them CPA, which is a certified public accountant. But India में the parliament said no, you have to be chartered accountant. और chartered का मतलब क्या होता है? Royal Charter, आपने word सुना होगा. Royal Charter यानी जो डिग्री से which attaches a lot of importance to the profession. That is the word, the two alphabets of trust, CA, Chartered Accountant. Very important for us to notice because that is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It is now completing from 1949. Today we are in 2020. On 1st of July 2020, the ICI will complete 71 years of existence. It is the second largest accounting body in the world. I'm telling you this so that you understand what institute you are trying to join. What is the legacy that is attached to this course? If I talk about the ICI's infrastructure, there are 1100 plus employees who are working across 164 branches and 5 regional offices that the institute has. So institute, काफी लोगों ने सवाल पूछा था यहाँ पे कि मुझे कोई कॉलेज में जाना है, मुझे किसी जगह पे जाके पढ़ना है. This course is, dear friends, a course which you can do sitting at your home. आपको किसी भी कॉलेज में या किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके एनरोल नहीं करना है. But for your facility, we have ensured that there are 5 regional council offices at Delhi, at Mumbai, at Kolkata, at Chennai, and at Kanpur for the central region. All 5 regional offices have 164 branches across the country under them. आपके वहाँ कल्याण डोंबिवली branch is attached to the WIRC, which is the Western Indian Regional Council of ICAI. We have 34 foreign chapters. So जैसे हमारी branches है, अहमदाबाद है, इंदौर है, बैंगलोर है, हैदराबाद है, जयपुर है, वैसे ही हमारे 34 foreign chapters है in Dubai, in London, in US, in Australia, in all the major economies of the world. We have our physical presence through chapters and in India through our branches. The institute itself has 99 own buildings. Some of you may ask कि अगर course मुझे घर बैठे करना है, if it is a correspondence kind of a course, why do the institute need 99 buildings? Well, the buildings are required so that for chartered accountants who clear one level, there is ITT training, which is information technology, which is to be given on computers. That ITT centers are established in these branch buildings. There are certain communications courses, general management courses, which the institute also organizes. These also happen in our own branch buildings. So 99 own buildings, जिनमें से 91 में ऑडिटोरियम्स है जहां आप आके सेमिनार्स अटेंड कर सकते हैं. प्रैक्टिकली अगर न्यू एक्ट आ रहा है, लेट्स से GST, not just for our chartered accountants, but even for our students, they can come and attend these seminars. And when I mentioned to you about the ITT, that is the information technology, the IT centers, there are 163 IT centers in India, which have more than 6,000 state-of-the-art computers, where we teach our Microsoft Excel, which is very, but जो data analysis, जो BI की बात की हमारे president ने, चितलांगे sir ने, all of those are also taught in our IT centers. So this is about the institute, like I said, set up by an act of parliament. I told you about our infrastructure, but very important for us to also understand the strength of chartered accountants. कितने CA हैं आज की तारीख में across India? There are over 3,25,000 chartered accountants in the country. अभी आप इस नंबर को डिवाइड करिए, that is the population of India, which is 130 crore and ever growing, as we all know. In that, there are just 3,25,000 chartered accountants. In fact, आप taxpayers देखेंगे तो भी there are almost 5 to 6 crores people who are filing tax returns and maybe 2 to 3 crores who are paying taxes. For these taxpayers also, the number of chartered accountants is only 3,25,000. So a very small community, and that is why there is a respect attached to becoming a chartered accountant. It is a difficult course, but it is not an impossible course. और अगर आप इस elite course में आ गए, elite because it is for intellectuals, it is for people who have the passion to do accounting, then you will be in this limited size of 3,25,000. Very important also for me to mention at this juncture that in the year 2022, यानी आज से 2 साल बाद नवंबर में, in Mumbai, which is actually very close to Kalyan, India is going to host, and ICAI has been given the responsibility to hold the 21st World Congress of Accountants. What is World Congress of Accountants? ये हर 4 साल, like Olympics, is for sports, for accounting, for taxation, for chartered accountants in CPS. Every 4 years, there is a World Congress of Accountants. Dear friends, is going to be held in Mumbai. I hope I see a lot of you who are now listening to us on this webinar mode can actually physically attend this, one of the largest events in the history of the world for accounting, and proudly being hosted by India. About ICAI, I can also share with you that, friends, recently last year, the UK government has NARIC, which analyzes and assessment of courses and says what is the level each course ranks internationally. And they have also ranked, if you clear the entire chartered accountancy exam, they have said you are as good as an MBA finance. And for those who could not clear final but were stuck in the middle, that is the inter level, it is still as good as a bachelor degree. So this is the global importance being attached to the profession. So even if people are not pursuing bachelors, आप सब तो already, some of you are in JC in 11th and 12th, some of you are pursuing BCom. But what I'm trying to say is, if you do CA, you will get as good recognition as a master's degree, not in India, but internationally as well. This year, the institute has also partnered with the Niti Aayog for launching the Women Entrepreneurship Platform. The president mentioned about the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Any major scheme that the government runs, the ICAI has a strong role to play, and we are pillars in making sure that this happens. Last year, a very important decision was also taken by the ICAI, the Central Council, where 75% of fees for any students who are coming from the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, and 8 northeastern states, उन सभी के लिए 75% of the fees is now waived. This is done to ensure that chartered accountants can spread their wings regionally across the entire length and breadth of the country. So very important slide. I hope all of you can very clearly see this and understand what I'm trying to say here. आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में चले जाइए, आप इंडिया में है तो इंडिया में खुद में हमारे वहां 2500 भाषाएं बोली जाती हैं. In Maharashtra you speak Hindi, but you also have Marathi, which is the main language in Maharashtra. You cross the border slightly north, where I come from, Gujarat. Gujarati is spoken. You go somewhere else, there is Tamil, Telugu, so many other languages that get spoken in India. Now think of the 7 continents. There are so many different languages: English, Spanish, French, Chinese. So many languages are prevalent, but accounting की एक ही भाषा है. Everywhere, debit is debit, credit is credit. The double entry system remains the same. And इससे सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज क्या होता है? अगर आप लिटरेचर पढ़ रहे हैं और आपको लिटरेचर लिखना है, अगर आपने हिंदी में लिखा है तो आप सिर्फ अपनी किताब हिंदी में लिख सकते हैं. आप अपने विचारों को हिंदी में व्यक्त कर सकते हैं. If you are comprehending in English, you can only probably write your content in English. So you have restriction in all other fields. But accountancy is one course where there is no language barrier. आप अकाउंटिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे से समझ गए और एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन गए तो आपके लिए रीजनल कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. गुजरात का चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट सिक्किम में भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकता है. More importantly, a chartered accountant in Kalyan Dombivli can make sure that he can give services to the entire world, the Middle East, the US, the Africa, the South America, Australia. And you have with you today present our Secretary of WRC, Murtuza Kachwala. आप उन्हें देखिए, he is also a role model for you because he is coming from Kalyan Dombivli, आपके वहां के हैं और वो खुद मिडिल ईस्ट में इतनी सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं. Why was he able to do it? ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्हें उर्दू अरबिक आती थी, उनमें जज्बा था कि मुझे जाके अलग कंट्री में सर्विसेज देनी है, वहां का एक्सपर्टीज देना है. And he was able to do it in the Middle East also. Similarly, like the president mentioned, there are 3,000 chartered accountants in US, in the UK, in Australia. There is no border that will restrict you. Physical borders will not be there, and the entire world will be for you to capture. Like I mentioned to you, ICI का सबसे बड़ा जो योगदान है वो है हम partner in nation building है. We call ourselves partner in nation building. I mentioned to you about the 21 crores that is being contributed to PM CARES Fund. In fact, this year we have the Atmanirbhar Bharat project, which is launched by the government of India. Even there, जहाँ MSME की बात कही गई है, where MSME is to be given importance. Even for MSMEs, the government is asking chartered accountants, can you bridge the gap? एक छोटा सा दुकान वाला है, एक छोटा मैन्युफैक्चरर है, and he wants to export globally to the world. The one bridge that can connect that small trader, that small manufacturer, or that small businessman to the world, to the government, it is the chartered accountant. क्योंकि हम ब्रिज का काम करते हैं. आपके किसी जान पहचान वाले ने अगर इनकम की कमाई उसको जीएसटी लगता है तो उसका रिटर्न जो भरना है वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के पास जाता है और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बिकम्स द ब्रिज कि जो आदमी की इनकम थी उसको उस पर इनकम टैक्स भरना था वो टैक्स सही तरीके से भरा जाए, गवर्नमेंट के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो और उसकी सारी डिटेल्स जो रिटर्न में जानी है वो करेक्ट तरीके से कैप्चर हो. दैट रोल अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट प्लेज एंड it is a very important role, not just because you are earning your bread and butter, but you are actually playing the role of being a partner in nation building. Today at the border, you have all seen that there are tense scenarios. There are tanks being ordered. The government has placed order for additional fighter jets. उसके लिए पैसा कहाँ से आता है? That money comes from tax collection. और वो tax collection में सबसे बड़ा रोल chartered accountants play करते हैं. Income tax हो या GST हो, they are ensuring that the tax gets credited to the government's account. They ensure that the returns get filed on time. So very important role that chartered accountant अगर आप फ्यूचर में बनते हैं, आप खुद की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो या इंडस्ट्री में हो, आप एक पार्टनर इन नेशन बिल्डिंग का रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं. What are the key achievements, if I can use the word, that you will get if you become a chartered accountant? और इसके लिए एक टैगलाइन है, ड्रीम सीए, यानी सीए बनने का सपना देखिए, बिलीव सीए, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, हौसला रखिए कि मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन सकता हूं. अगर आप सोचोगे, अगर आप हौसला रखोगे और मेहनत करोगे तो आप अचीव सीए करोगे. ड्रीम सीए, बिलीव सीए, अचीव सीए. और अचीव करने से क्या होगा? Once you become a chartered accountant, you not only are assured an economic well-being, because like we mentioned, there are packages which are being offered from as low as 6, 7, 8 lakhs per year, going up to 50 lakhs in the first year of your qualification. सो 21-22 की साल की उम्र पे जब लोग अपने पैर जमा रहे हैं, दे आर ट्राइंग टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन बिजनेस, you can actually start off with a 6, 7, 8 lakhs package. And if you are bright, if you have the aptitude, then you can get a package of 40, 50 lakhs at the young age of 20, 22. That is the difference of this course. Economic well-being, you can ensure not just for yourself, but आपकी पूरी फैमिली के लिए आप एक बहुत बड़ा अच्छा कोर्स ले रहे हैं. रेपुटेशन, मैंने आपको बताया, आज चितलांगे सर थे, हमारे प्रेसिडेंट थे, आपके पास आपके चेयरमैन है लोकल चैप्टर के, इन सबका रेपुटेशन जो है in local areas as well as nationally is high because मैं अनिकेत तलाटी हूँ, but मैं सबसे पहले C अनिकेत तलाटी हूँ. The 2 alphabets before my name give me a great recognition. मुझे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में जाना है, मुझे छोटे से अगर कंट्री का बॉर्डर क्रॉस करना है और मैं कस्टम ऑफिसर को मिलता हूँ, जैसे ही वो सुनते हैं आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, उनके आंख में एक अलग आपके लिए रिस्पेक्ट आ जाती है. So that reputation is given to you by the word chartered accountant. International exposure, I shared with you, कोई और भाषा नहीं है, अकाउंटिंग की एक ही भाषा है पूरी दुनिया में. और अगर आप अकाउंट्स में अच्छे हैं तो नॉट जस्ट इन इंडिया, यू कैन सर्व द एंटायर इंटरनेशनल मार्केट. यू गेट गुड सोशल स्टेचर. ऑन अ लाइटर टोन, लॉट ऑफ पीपल मेंशन दिस, कि जो लोगों की चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी 21-22 साल में हो गई, दे आर एबल टू गेट मैरिड to the wives and of their dream. They're able to find the life partner of their dream. And why is that? It is because any father who has a daughter will be happy to get his daughter married to a person who's a chartered accountant. क्योंकि मालूम है कि एक तो ये educated है, second he is a professional, and most importantly economically he will always be well off. वो आज उसकी कहीं नौकरी है, कल उठ के अगर कंपनी ना रही, नौकरी ना रही, वो कहीं और जॉब कर सकता है. He can practice by himself and make sure that the economic well-being of the person continues. There are various attractive career options that are available for a chartered accountant. Now we will look at the CA course at a glance. On the left is the foundation route and on the right is the direct entry route. So what is the biggest difference between foundation and direct entry route? Well, let's go to the right side first. The direct entry route is actually applicable for those who are joining the course after doing their bachelor's. That is, उन्होंने bachelor in commerce किया है, या अगर आपने commerce भी नहीं किया, you have done in science, you have done in arts, you have done in any other field. After that also you can join the course through direct entry route. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 12th के बाद ही join करना है. You can actually now select at both levels. If you have wanted to enjoy the BCom, you wanted to make sure that I would take the full experience of Bachelor of Commerce in the wonderful college that you are pursuing it in, you can do it. And after that, you can join. But if you want to become a chartered accountant earlier, then the foundation route applies. So direct entry route की बात करें तो क्या है? अगर आपने commerce stream से, so BCom किया है for example, तो आपके अगर 55% से ज्यादा marks हैं, या other कोई course में से हैं, जैसे arts, if you are from not just commerce, but from arts, science. Last year, our topper was from science background. So if you're from science background also, if you have more than 60% marks, then you can directly enter into the chartered accountancy course. अगर आपके उससे कम है, तो आपको foundation route में जाना है. So if you have more than 55%, the next step is to register for intermediate course. That is intermediate यानी 20 का course. 4 weeks की training करनी है, जिसे हम ICITSS कहते हैं. Once you you do the intermediate course and undergo this 4 weeks of training on IT and communications, then you have to do what is called the 3 years of practical training, जिसे हम articleship कहते हैं. और उसके एग्जाम के 9 महीने में आप फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन इंस्टीट्यूट की देंगे और आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनेंगे. सो अगेन फॉर क्लैरिटी, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. बीकॉम की बात कर रहे हैं, आपके 55% से ज्यादा मार्क्स है, you register for intermediate, give the examination, undergo the 4 weeks of ICITTS, you take articleship for 3 years, give the final examination, there are certain other courses you complete and you are a chartered accountant. But for my younger friends who are attending this course, who are in 11th, who are in 12th, there is the foundation course, which is on the left side. You register with ICI after appearing for class 12. So here you only have to appear. आपने 12th अपीयर कर लिया, उसके बेसिस पे आप रजिस्ट्रेशन ले सकते हैं. पास हुए नहीं है तो भी आप रजिस्ट्रेशन ले सकते हो. द रिक्वायरमेंट इज टू अपीयर इन क्लास 12 एग्जामिनेशन टिल 30th of June और 30th of December, बिकॉज ये कट ऑफ है. तो हम आज जून में बैठे हैं. ऑल दोज ऑफ यू who would wish to become a part of the CA course, please register before 30th of June. If you have given already your 12th examination, then you can appear in this upcoming November attempt of ICAI's foundation examination. अगर आप बाद में करते हैं, then you will appear in the May 21 attempt of foundation. So foundation, जिसे हम कहते हैं, it is the base, it is like the entry level test. Once you qualify your foundation, you can immediately register for the intermediate course. Intermediate course register करने के बाद आपको 4 weeks, मैंने जो आपको बताया, IT और communications की training करनी है. This training happens at your branches. कल्याण डोंबिवली branch में होता है. अगर आप मुंबई से, you can go to BKC, you can attend it there also, and you have to appear and pass then in the both examinations of intermediate. So हमारे वहाँ intermediate में 2 ग्रुप होते हैं. आपको दोनों ग्रुप क्लियर करना है. अगर आपने एक ग्रुप भी क्लियर किया तो आप आर्टिकलशिप के लिए रजिस्टर करते हैं, but you have to clear both groups before you can appear for your final examination. So clear either of the groups and register for 3 years of articleship. Articleship के बाद आप फाइनल, अगर आपने इंटर के दोनों कोर्सेज क्लियर कर लिए हैं, आप फाइनल के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन करिए. तो फॉर एग्जांपल किसी बच्चे का एक ही ग्रुप हुआ, वो इमीडिएटली आर्टिकलशिप शुरू करता है. आर्टिकलशिप के साथ साथ वो दूसरे ग्रुप के लिए अपीयर करता है और पास हो जाता है. देन ही हैज टू रजिस्टर फॉर फाइनल. अगर आप दोनों ग्रुप करके बाद आर्टिकलशिप रजिस्टर करते हैं, देन यू रजिस्टर फॉर योर फाइनल कोर्स व्हिच इज आफ्टर 3 years. यू क्वालिफाई योर CA कोर्स, यू कंप्लीट योर, then there is advanced IITT और आप एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन गए. So I hope with this a lot of clarity is received to you of how you do this course. अगर आप 12th में सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आप फाउंडेशन रूट से जाइए. If you are already completing BCom and you have more than 55%, go through the direct entry route. Direct entry route, there is intermediate and final with 3 years of articleship and some practical training at our institute building. If you are giving after 12th, then you go through the foundation route. You have appeared for 12th, that is enough for registration. After you have cleared, we will allow you to appear for the examination. And you appear for the exam. After that, what will happen is you do your intermediate and final and become a chartered accountant. If there are any questions regarding this, we will be happy to answer them at the end. What is the fee structure? Then a lot of people ask, किसका cost क्या है? हमारे president ने भी बताया कि it is the cheapest probably course in the entire country for a professional level. If you want to pursue medical, you are spending lakhs of rupees. Architecture, engineering, they all have a very expensive fee. What is the cost of doing chartered accountancy? For a foundation course, you have to look at the prospectus, which is a 200 rupee cost. The foundation registration fee is just 9,000 rupees. So the total cost for foundation registration is 9,200. For intermediate course, the registration fees are 15,000. There are student activities fees of rupees 2,000, where we conduct various programs. Like I said, because this is a course which you can do from your home. Therefore, to make sure that you also get certain practical exposure, there are a lot of events that our student association, you have Kalyan Dombivali Vikasa chairman also here who can share more about this. उसके लिए जो activities करनी है, उसके लिए there is a 2,000 rupees fee. उसमें there are soft skill development, there are other entertainment also events that we do to make sure that you get engaged with the CA course. So that fee is some 2,000 rupees. When you register as an article assistant, there is a fee of 1,000. So total fees for intermediate is 18,000. 9,200 for foundation, 18,000 for intermediate, and final is 22,000. Besides that, if you remember, I told you there is a IT course which you can do at our 164 branches. उसका cost 6,500 है intermediate level पे और orientation का 7,000. Advanced IITT, where we teach our students on ERP, on SAP, on Tally and other practical aspects. 15 दिन आपको आके कंप्यूटर के सामने से सीखना है. वो advanced level पे सीखने का cost है 7,500, and the management and communication skills course is 7,000. All in all, the total cost to pursue chartered accountancy is just 77,200 rupees. You compare it with any other course, not in India, across the world, it is probably one of the cheapest courses to pursue. And more importantly, आप आर्टिकलशिप करते हैं. चितलांगे सर ने कहा जब उन्होंने आर्टिकलशिप की कुछ 50 रुपया स्टाइपेंड था. His son was doing it for 10,000 rupees a month. 10,000 तो some firms pay, many firms are paying higher, but जो bare minimum stipend आपको पे करना है for any entire 3 city is 92,000 for 3 years. तो आप अगर tier 1 city that is population more than 20 lakhs में रहते हैं तो minimum stipend आपको 3 साल में 92,000 मिलेगा. So effectively this cost is recouped when you do your articleship under any chartered accountant. So it becomes practically free for you to do a CA course. I will not say it is free because आपने भी 3 साल किसी के वहाँ articleship की है. Articleship is what? It is 35 hours of practical training under a chartered accountant. So जैसे डॉक्टर का कोर्स होता है वहाँ आप डॉक्टर बनने के लिए आप किताब तो पढ़ते हो, but you also have to go to the hospital and attach with a doctor or a hospital and perform actual surgery. क्योंकि किताब पढ़ने से आप सर्जरी नहीं कर सकते हो. Similarly, as a chartered accountant, आप सिर्फ academic या bookish knowledge से you will not be able to succeed. What is a very important part and piece of our course is articleship, where you register with a practicing chartered accountant for 3 years, and under him you are given training about what are these various forms, how do you file them online, what are the laws and the acts, आपको कैसे किसी चीज का audit करना है, how do you look at accounting entries, journals, ledger scrutiny, all of that is taught to you in your articleship. What is the mantra then to become a chartered accountant? Very simple formula: hard work plus dedication. And believe me, this is 100% true. It is not that you are required to be extraordinarily intelligent or brilliant or a first ranker. There are people who have got very less marks in schooling, in BCom, but once they have made up their mind that I want to pursue CA, they have hard work, they have dedication, that equals to a chartered accountant. CA बनने के बाद क्या? तो मैंने आपको बताया about the process, foundation or intermediate. We discussed about what is the cost for the course, what is articleship, but after you become CA आप क्या कर सकते हो? There are 4 major areas in which you can engage at your own practice. That is खुद की firm खोलिए, खुद से आप audit कर सकते हैं, आप टैक्स की सर्विस दे सकते हैं, आप कंसल्टेंसी का काम कर सकते हैं. दैट इज ओन प्रैक्टिस. जॉब या एम्प्लॉयमेंट, यू हैव सीन दैट चितलांगे सर मेंशन्ड ही जॉइंड बिरला. सिमिलरली thousands of companies every year are recruiting chartered accountants for our campus. So you directly go in job or employment of a private company, or you can also be in employment of a CA firm. क्योंकि आजकल काफी फर्म्स भी बड़ी हो गई हैं और वहां भी आप जॉब या एम्प्लॉयमेंट में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. Then there is entrepreneurship or business. आपको लगता है नहीं मुझे मेरा खुद का बिजनेस परस्यू करना है, I want to be an entrepreneur. For that also CA is an excellent course. In the future slides you will see President sir mentioned about Kumar Mangalam Birla. Many successful businessmen are actually chartered accountants by qualification. वो CA का practice नहीं कर रहे, but this course has helped them to understand accounting, finance, costing in such deep way that they are able to take decisions better than their peers and counterparts and are leaders in entrepreneurship and business. And finally, you can also do further studies. You can apply for IIMs across the country. If I talk about IIM Ahmedabad, chartered accountants are extremely successful in entering that because of your background as a chartered accountant. If you want to pursue public UPSC, you can also do that. So 4 opportunities once you do the CA course. आप किस एवेन्यू में सर्व कर सकते हैं? Again, this is just a chart, a pictorial representation of all the possible avenues. I mentioned to you entrepreneur about your own self, IT, which is now the future, artificial intelligence, data analytics, BI, all of that is IT, advisory service. आज जब कोविड-19 का सिनेरियो चल रहा है और कोई भी छोटा ट्रेडर या बिजनेसमैन है उसे कैश फ्लो की डिफिकल्टी है, they are facing problems of running their business. They are coming to chartered accountants, and chartered accountants are advising them on how to restart their companies, how to incorporate. All of those are advisory services. Advanced finance and economics. Major economics of this country are chartered accountants. Management consultancy services are provided. You can do business of your own. You can engage with the government. You have so many officers in IAS, IRS, IPS who are chartered accountants. And finally, you can become a professor. You can be in academics. You can be principals. You can be so many other. If your passion is education, then academics is also a great career opportunity for you. मैंने जैसा आपको बताया, this is the one course which gives you earn while you learn. आप course pursue कर रहे हैं. You are still not qualified as a chartered accountant. Still, you get stipend from your employer or your principal. The stipend that has been earmarked under these regulations for a city of more than 20 lakhs, आपको 90,000 stipend मिलेगा in 3 years. For towns with 4 lakh to 20 lakh population, the stipend is 72,000 rupees. But for very small towns, because the CAs are smaller, there are very few firms and practice size is smaller, the stipend is 54,000. Still, majority of your cost of stipend itself. I have now covered the first half of my presentation. We will now move to the second half of the course, and I believe I have another 15 minutes to conclude, in which I will finish these slides about how do you do this course. मुझे अगर कोर्स में रजिस्टर कर लिया, आपने समझ लिया कि मैं 12th में हूँ, हाँ, I want to do foundation. You are in BCom, you want to enter through direct entry route. You will register, but how do you register and what do you study? Where do you find the study material? Well, that I will try and answer in the next slides. So, our biggest advantage of the CA course today, and especially all of you will appreciate that ये जो हम program भी कर रहे हैं, we are doing it on webinar through Microsoft Teams. Typically, this would have happened in your college or in some auditorium. But now, because of pandemic, because of Corona, we have all learned to use the E mode of communication. And ICI was one step further. हमारे वहाँ पहले से ही e-learning पे इतना बड़ा जोर दिया गया था कि ICI Cloud Campus, the one you see at the bottom, was started a long year back, where all तो पूरा campus cloud, you can access it anytime, any entire course curriculum will be available to you. Also started the digital learning hub. The digital learning hub. This the foundation, all books available. कल्याण से डोंबिवली, कल्याण डोंबिवली 2-2.5 घंटा लगता है, और एरिया के सीए इसीलिए बन पाते हैं क्योंकि दे हैव एडेड मुंबई में कर रहे हैं, तो रोज 2 घंटा ट्रेन में टाइम है, उसे आप इफेक्टिवली यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं टू लर्न. तो घर पे तो पढ़ेंगे ही, घर आके वापस भी पढ़ेंगे, बट ऑन ट्रांजिट ऑल्सो यू कैन लर्न. एंड टू एनेबल दिस देयर इज नाउ अ डिजिटल लर्निंग हब where all course material is available online. You simply put your earphone, आपके हाथ में आपका iPad, आपका phone, आपका laptop, कुछ भी रखिए, and you can easily go through all. Also available on this hub. Besides this, you can go to the ICI's website and the e-Pathshala initiative, where entire course is available on video mode. आपको किसी भी क्लास में, कोचिंग में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Everything will be available online to you. There are various publications that are available. Please go to our website ici.org, जहाँ all the opportunities that I shared with you will be available to you in detail in writing. These are all the publications that we have. One important announcement that I had, and I would request the Kalyan Dombivli branch to please make sure that this is populated and made available, and the knowledge of this is disseminated to all schools, all colleges in this area. ICI every year conducts the Commerce Wizard and the Commerce Quiz. Even this year, the quiz is being organized. I would request your college also to please encourage your students who are in class. आपकी school भी है, तो 9th standard से we are starting. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. For all 4 levels, there is ICI Commerce Quiz, which I would request the college to encourage, and even the school to encourage its students to participate in. Because इसी से उन्हें मालूम पड़ेगा, like the president says, it is not just your aptitude, but your attitude which determines your altitude. आप कितना ऊंचा जाएंगे वो आपकी इंटेलिजेंसिया और आपके एटीट्यूड पे डिटरमिन करता है. This is one example, the Commerce Wizard test and the quiz, which allows you to test your aptitude, to test your knowledge of accounting. It is being organized, and I will request the branch to share all the details of this. Very, very important for you to also know that अगर आपको ये cost जो मैंने आपको बताया, आपको stipend in the form of stipend, you will get it back, the entire cost of the course, but yet you find it difficult to manage the cash flow and to pay for the course. The ICI runs multiple scholarship schemes. This year, and please pay attention, this year, 100 crores has been earmarked by the ICAI only to provide need-based and merit scholarship to young students. We as the council, all our chartered accountants are very keen कि पैसे की वजह से कोई भी ब्राइट स्टूडेंट इस कोर्स को परस्यू ना कर सके, ऐसा हमें नहीं करना है. Lot of scholarship we are offering for minorities, for people who are from military background, as you can see on the screen, for people who are merit based but their income is low. So if you're from a low income, all these scholarships are available to you. Finally, like I said, course pursue कैसे करना, कहाँ से आप पढ़ सकते हैं, आपने समझा. I also showed you the scholarships available. But just to give you a real life example of what happens after being a chartered accountant, some very important companies which have come to our campus. So the ICAI, after you clear CA, doesn't leave you open in the market to find your own wings or to learn your own sailing in the sea. They also help you by campus placement. And this campus placement happens 2 times every year. And the average per annum salary has been in the range of 9.12 lakhs. In domestic, it has gone up to 24 lakhs. And you can see all the top names in the country who are hiring you. Genpact, Tata Consulting, Axis, even the big 4 firms, they hire chartered accountants for their local practice as well as for their international practice. So those are the kind of opportunities that lie for you after you take up a chartered accountancy profession. We have now coming to the end of this presentation. The USP of CA profession क्या है? It is established by an act of parliament. ये कोई university नहीं है, ये कोई college नहीं है. It is by an act of parliament. It is open for students from all streams, commerce, arts, science. आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, you are most welcome to pursue chartered accountancy. You are given offers, to learn from distance learning. I shared to you about the cloud campus. You know about the digital learning hub. So you can pursue the course from distance learning basis. Meritocracy is the only basis for chartered accountancy. There is no reservation. There is no other form of any selection that we do. Merit is the only criteria for you to pursue chartered accountancy. It is a standardized course with regular updates. Once you register, our board of studies will regularly start sending you updates. The Income Tax Act में अगर कुछ change होता है और वो course में update करना है, then this updates will also be sent by our board of studies regularly to you. After you clear, there is campus placement. So not just becoming CA, आप CA बनने के बाद आपको अच्छी job मिले, that also the institute is trying. There is the ability for you to multitask and become a catalyst in economic policies. India's dream is to become a $5 trillion economy. US chartered accountants can play a very important role as that. It is the regulator of audit and assurance function. आज किसी भी कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट पे अगर ऑडिट होना है तो ऑडिट रिपोर्ट पे साइन सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कर सकता है. Nobody else in this country has the authority to issue an audit report. It is because of this that the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji commented that the signature of chartered accountant is more important than even the signature of the Prime Minister. It is this signature which is valid in the length and breadth of this nation, from north to south, east to west. अगर आपने as a chartered accountant एक document पे sign कर लिया, यानी पूरी दुनिया उस पे विश्वास करेगी. That is the level of respect that is commanded by a chartered accountant. There is 3 years of articleship in this course. Take practical learning of this course. There is no restriction on age. We have CAs who have become chartered accountants before reaching the age of 21. We also have chartered accountants who are right now at the age of 55, 60 and they are becoming chartered accountants. Age कोई बार नहीं है, आप कभी भी इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. There is equal opportunity for everyone. Cloud campus पे पूरा का पूरा campus है, आपका learning material सब कुछ online available है. Huge employment opportunity and most importantly at the lowest possible cost. Like I said, the power of CS signature, you can sign on tax audits, you can sign on company audits. There is forensic audit, which is a new area of development. We are seeing today कि कितनी सारी बड़ी कंपनियों में fraud हो रहा है. We have all read about Kingfisher or the apparent fraud in Nirav Modi and other cases. इन सबका investigation financial angle से कि where was the money received, ये money कहाँ गया, ये लंदन गया, कोई और country में गया, Mauritius गया, how did it go? All of that trail can be found by chartered accountants because of forensic audit. This is a specialization that only CAs are doing. तो सिर्फ टैक्स ऑडिट, जो कंपनी, किसी भी कंपनी का टर्नओवर अगर 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा है तो कंपलसरी उसे टैक्स ऑडिट करवाना है अंडर द इनकम टैक्स एक्ट. So that power you have. If you are a private limited or a public limited company, you have to get your accounts audited by a chartered accountant. So ये दो statutory तो powers हैं ही आपके पास, but a very important area now is forensic audit, where you can help the nation recover any frauds, unearth any frauds, discover the money trail through forensic audit. Even for any rupee, अगर आपको एक सिंगल रुपया इंडिया के बाहर आज भेजना है, डॉलर में, पाउंड में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर टर्म्स में, यू विल रिक्वायर द साइन ऑफ अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. सो इन सभी चीजों के लिए आपको सीए की सिग्नेचर चाहिए, एंड दैट इज व्हाई द प्राइम मिनिस्टर on 1st of July 2017 said, your signature is more powerful than the prime minister's, and government also believes the accounts signed by you. That is the value of the CA signature. You can appear in civil services. There are tie-ups with IIM. So after qualifying, if you want to further pursue, आप IIM के साथ joint courses IIM अहमदाबाद में कर सकते हैं. You are eligible for PhD. Only on the basis of your CA course, you can directly pursue PhD in various Indian universities and even the IITs. And there are post-qualification courses, certificate course on forensic, जो मैंने आपको बताया, on concurrent audit, on various other areas which the institute also conducts. Who are the chartered accountants who are prominent in this country? और आप सबको request करूंगा, please pay attention to this slide. You saw Chitlange sir, you saw the president of our institute. These are very prominent people, जिनको आपने news में रोज पढ़ा होगा. CA Piyush Goyal, also from your area, Mumbai, who had once the charge of finance minister. Right now, he has railways and commerce ministry under him. He is a proud chartered accountant. Suresh Prabhuji, जिन्होंने railways में transformation लाए, again from Maharashtra, fantastic person, a chartered accountant. Kumar Mangalam Birla, a billionaire, he is a chartered accountant. Harish Salve, आपने नाम सुना होगा. Recently, he did the Kulbhushan case in London. For 1 rupee he charged. He's an advocate, but he has qualified as a chartered accountant. The 12th executive director of RBI, Sudha Balakrishnan, she's a chartered accountant. Naina Lal Kidwai, आप सबने HSBC का नाम सुना होगा बैंक. She was the country head of HSBC India. She is a chartered accountant. Rakesh Junjunwala, in the comment section, lot of you have asked, क्या stock market में chartered accountant की value है? आप किसी भी बड़ा investor को देख लिए. Even on television, for those of you who are seeing Anil Singhvi on Z News, he is a chartered accountant. All major fund managers are chartered accountant. Rakesh Junjunwala, who is known as the Warren Buffett of India, he is a chartered accountant. So many examples, some quotes that have been given by distinguished leader Rajendra Prasad ji, who was our first president से लेके Lal Bahadur Shastri, Dr. Abdul Kalam, जिन्होंने हमें कहा you are partners in nation building, Narendra Modi, Ratan Tata, they have all given some amazing quotes about chartered accountants. Finally, कौन कर सकता है? मैंने आपको बताया, you don't need to be academically brilliant only to do this course. You don't have to be financially very strong to do this course. CA final का first rank, which is a huge achievement, AIR1, was in 2012 achieved by CA Prema Jayakumar, and her father is a rickshaw driver. So rickshaw driver, vegetable vendors के बच्चे भी CA कर रहे हैं और कर नहीं रहे. They are becoming the all India rankers. Even a blind lady has become a chartered accountant. If you have any further questions, please log into our website. 30th June tak, again, I would request all the students who are the 11th, 12th, if you have listened through this, if you feel that you want to pursue this course, please join it by 30th of June by registering online. If you have appeared for your 12th examination, you can provisionally register for the November 2020 exam. After you get your result of 12th standard, the provisionality will be removed. You will be given a final registration and you can appear in the examination. All the FAQs are available on the institute's website. So with this, I would like to conclude the slide and come back to presenting to all of you. I hope my video is visible. And with this presentation, I have been able to take you through the entire journey of chartered accountancy, foundation, intermediate, final. We have discussed about how the course of chartered then 12th, or even after pursuing arts or science after Bachelor of Commerce or the Bachelor of Science through the direct entry route and appear in the intermediate examination. We have shared with you the opportunities that lie for chartered accountants. We have also shared the cost aspect of this course. I think I also could take you through the stipend, the articleship, which is a very important key and part of our CA course. And most importantly, all the achievers of our CA course, which I hope can inspire you to pursue this course. With these words, I was given the allotted time. I hope I have been able to complete in that, madam. I hand it over back to you, and I can only request all our dear students who are looking at this online, if this is convincing, please join, take the plunge. Don't be afraid. You will have inhibitions in your mind, but once you start pursuing this course, once you have taken up chartered accountancy and a feel of what the course is, I'm sure you will have extreme success. Finally, I can only give you one quote before I end in the form of a shairi, which I would like to share with you, which says that कभी महक की तरह हम गुलों से उड़ते हैं, कभी महक, which is smell, महक की तरह हम गुलों से उड़ते हैं, कभी धुएं की तरह हम पर्वतों से उड़ते हैं. ये कैंचियां हमें उड़ने से क्या खाक रोकेंगी, ये कैंचियां हमें उड़ने से क्या खाक रोकेंगी, कि हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ते हैं, कि हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ते हैं. Have that spirit in you, have that belief that you can become a chartered accountant. Nothing will stop you from achieving this. You will become an All India rank holder, a successful professional, and most importantly, a partner in nation building. Thank you very much.
Okay, so sir, the question with us is, for a fresh chartered accountant, what would you suggest? What is a better option, to practice individually or joining a firm?
Okay, so there are, this depends on two aspects majorly. First and foremost, you have to look at your own family's financial position. If your family is such that it needs you to be the breadwinner, for you to make sure that you are able to financially support the entire ecosystem of your family, especially in these troubled times of pandemic when a lot of people are facing financial difficulty, jobs are being lost. If there is a responsibility on your shoulder that you must earn to make sure that your family is supported, then I feel you must then not enter directly into practice, because to expect that you open practice and from the first day you get clients and start getting work will be a little difficult. For those people, I would say you should first take a job so that you have monthly recurring cash flow in the form of 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 rupees of salary per month. So you can support your family financially. And then once you have sufficient savings with you, you can venture into practice. Because there is a 1,000-day principle that I believe in. Any business or any profession that you start, the 1,000 days, the first 1,000 days will be difficult for you to get profitability. And if you can spend that time of amount, if you have that patience or your financial background allows you to do it, then go for practice. But if your financial position is such that you need regular cash flow, then I would suggest the gentleman who has asked the question that you go for a paid salary first and then think about practice.
Okay, that's true, sir. So there is one question which says, what are the opportunities for Indian chartered accountants abroad, that is in foreign countries, and what job profiles are offered to them in foreign countries?
So again, I would just extend it from the previous question in a way that sometimes सीधा पानी में कूदने से अच्छा एक बार आप पानी में उंगली डाल के देख लो क्या टेम्परेचर है. So you must test the waters. So like I said, for immediately before jumping into practice, it is better to work with a firm, get some knowledge and then do it. Similarly, immediate international exposure may not be available. What you have to do is first make sure that your own understanding of accounts, of basic taxation, of Ind AS, which is now the language of accounting, it is equivalent to IFRS internationally. आप उस IFRS को अच्छे से समझिए, grasp it, understand the implications. Once you have gone through that, you have gotten a good understanding of these standards, then any international territory, you have a lot of opportunities. It is not just, the job profile that he's asking me, it is not just of a chartered accountant firm जहाँ आप काम कर सकते हैं. आप इंडस्ट्री में जुड़ सकते हैं, आप वहाँ की कंपनीज में फाइनेंस का रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं. अंकित जी ने बताया you have to raise finance, you have to manage funds. तो funds की तो पूरी दुनिया में एक ही भाषा है, borrow at the lowest rate possible and invest so that you get the highest return. Now that applies across the world, but once you have certain experience in India in treasury, in managing those things, then those opportunities open up. The roles for chartered accountants internationally are immense. It is in classic account, but now we are seeing them in finance, in ERP, in technology, in system audits. These are the kind of opportunities also available to chartered accountants.
So yeah, sir, connected with the audit thing, there are students who want to know which is a better scope for chartered accountant, as an auditor or tax consultant?
So what I would say is it depends on your aptitude. What is your nature? अगर आप में वो skills है to go into the detail, to minutely observe, to find faults, because as an auditor you will be expected, आप internal audit में है तो on behalf of the management, और अगर आप statutory audit में है तो on behalf of the government, आपको accounts को deeply study करना है और non compliances को report करना है. तो अगर आपकी skill sets वैसी हैं, if you find that you are able to do that task in a better manner, that is your nature. Some of us, when we go home and eat something, immediately we say, अरे इसमें चीनी कम है, इसमें ये कम है, तो आपका नेचर गलती ढूंढने वाला है. अगर आप उसमें एक्सपर्ट हो तो आई वुड से आपके लिए ऑडिट ज्यादा अच्छा है. बट अगर आप एक्सप्लिसिट हो, आप अपने आप को अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, आपकी इंटरप्रिटेशन स्किल्स अच्छी है, तो आप टैक्स को पढ़ के आप उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन अच्छा कर सकते हैं. देन आई वुड से टैक्सेशन इज अ बेटर फील्ड.
That's true. So identifying your skill set is a key towards that. Right, great. So then there is a question asked by most of the students. This is kind of a fear that they have in their mind about mathematics. They're asking, is maths a mandatory compulsory subject? Do we need to be pro with mathematics in order to be chartered accountant?
So I can share with you that it is not that you have to be an expert in maths to be a chartered accountant. I give you the example of BSc students who have become chartered accountants. My wife, she did her arts from National Institute of Design, NID in Ahmedabad, which is one of the premier most design institutes in the country. So she had no Bachelor of Commerce experience. She cleared chartered accountancy with an all India rank. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड होना जरूरी है, हाँ, बट मैथ्स एज अ बेसिक आपको उसमें लाइकिंग होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज अकाउंटिंग का बेस मैथमेटिक्स है. तो बिल्कुल अगर आपको अकाउंट मैथ्स पसंद ही नहीं है, देन आई फील दिस कोर्स में नॉट बी द राइट चॉइस फॉर यू. बट इफ यू थिंक यू आर good at that, if you are able to analytically apply the skills of mathematics, basic mathematics, then it is more than enough.
That's true. There is one question which says how to deal with anxiety and stress that comes along with CA exams or articleship or during the entire process. So like I said, and I think the president answered it in the beginning, you have to keep your eyes very clearly set on your final goal, that you want to become a chartered accountant, you want to be a successful professional, you want to be a respected person in society, you want to have a social stature, not just for marriage like I mentioned in the lighter tone, but for other aspects, to be looked up by your friends, by your family members, by your social circle in a different way. आपको financially independent होना है. If all of this is what you want, then the road cannot be simple, क्योंकि इतना सिंपल होता तो शायद 3 लाख ही चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट नहीं होते, 130 करोड़ में से 70-80 करोड़ लोग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन चुके हो. So it is tough. It is a test of your attitude also, of how you are able to positively think of it. पर मैं इसमें यही बोलता हूँ कि let positivity rule you. Don't think of there will be people who will try and demotivate you. And the biggest problem I believe in today's world is social media. आप social media पे पढ़ के इतना लोग negative हो जाते हैं, अरे ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है. It is not that difficult. You have Ankit ji, you have the entire team of Vikasa there. They will be there to help you, guide you. If there are any challenges, they will make sure that it becomes a smoother path for you. But it is truly, believe me, a life-changing course if you are able to, in a correct way, analyze, judge, and leave out all these negativities on social media and other forms, and focus positively towards clearing this exam. Sure, sir. Sir, you did mention about forensic accounting in your presentation. So the students want to know more about forensic accounting and scope and opportunities for them in this particular aspect. Sure, madam. So I don't know,
maybe these are too younger generation, but there was a show called CID, आप सबने देखा होगा, टीवी पे आता था, और उसमें फोरेंसिक्स के लिए लैब में कोई चीज भेजते थे. तो इफ देयर वाज अ मर्डर फॉर एग्जांपल, तो वो अगर उनको गन मिली तो गन का फिंगरप्रिंट लेने भेजते हैं. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज फोरेंसिक्स. अगर आपको कहीं ब्लड का स्टेन मिल गया तो उस ब्लड को निकाल के उसे एक लैब में भेजते थे फोरेंसिक टेस्ट के लिए, और फिर मालूम पड़ता था कि ये विक्टिम का ब्लड नहीं है, ये किसी और का ब्लड है, एंड देन दे वुड नो हु द किलर इज. ये सब होता था बिकॉज दे वर यूजिंग फोरेंसिक. सो ये जो फोरेंसिक वर्ड है was always attached to crime and criminality, और उसको solve करने के लिए forensics was developed as a tool, scientific mechanism to unravel the mysteries of such crimes. ये हो गए physical crime. अगर हम financial crime की बात करें, which is what if you have for example taken loan from banks for purpose of doing a project and siphoned the money, कि उसे divert करके किसी और जगह ले गए, तो ये फाइनेंशियल क्राइम है और फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड है. इससे इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के लिए भी द टर्म विच इज यूज्ड इज फोरेंसिक्स. तो जैसा मर्डर में या क्रिमिनल एक्शन में होता था, वैसे फाइनेंशियल क्राइम में फोरेंसिक्स होता है. आप देखो कि भैया बैंक का डिसबर्समेंट आया उसके अकाउंट में, यस, उसके बाद वो कहाँ गया, उसने कहा कि मैंने मशीन परचेज करने के लिए एक्स पार्टी को दिया था, बट एक्चुअली उसने एक्स को दिया या उसने उसके खुद के रिलेटिव को पैसा ट्रांसफर कर दिया. सिमिलरली आप ऑनलाइन आजकल देख रहे हो कि काफी लोग एसएमएस भेजते हैं कि इस पे क्लिक करिए और आपको ये फ्री कोरोना का टेस्ट होगा. काफी लोगों ने क्लिक किया, ओटीपी डाल दिया, मालूम पड़ा इट वाज अ स्कैम एंड द बैंक में से पैसा कट गया, आपके एटीएम में से किसी ने पैसा विड्रॉ कर लिया, आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड किसी ने मिस कर लिया. तो ये सब चीजें फाइनेंशियल क्राइम्स के पर्व में आती हैं, और इनको इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के लिए जो पुलिस है या जो अपना लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसीज हैं, they are not experts, so they use the help of chartered accountant, the economic offences wing, the CBI, the SFIO, which is serious fraud investigation office, and now the insolvency law, जिसमें NCLT के पास पावर्स हैं कोई भी कंपनी पे इंक्वायरी करवाने का. वो सभी काम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, स्पेशलाइज्ड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट करते हैं, एंड दैट फील्ड ऑफ स्पेशलाइज्ड क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन of financial crime is called forensic.
That's true. Thank you so much, sir. We'll take one last question. They want to know which course is better. They want to know CA, CS, CMA, CFA or MBA Finance. So these are various options. So they want your opinion on that.
देखो, I myself giving this answer, people में से biased हैं, आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इसलिए कहते हैं, but numbers never lie. So let me just share with you that we have 7 lakh to 8 lakh students pursuing chartered accountancy, which is more than the rest 4-5 professional courses put together that you mentioned. MBA Finance आप भूल जाइए, क्योंकि MBA Finance ऐसी चीज है, अगर आप IIM अहमदाबाद से करते हैं तो 100 ही सीट है, पर there are lot of, अगर आप बिरला कॉलेज से करते हैं तो इट्स अ वेरी रेप्यूटेड कॉलेज, but there are B, C, D rated colleges जहां से भी MBA Finance होके आदमी बोलता है भैया मेरे पीछे तो बोर्ड पे लगा है स्टिकर MBA Finance का. हमारे वहां ABCD नहीं है, सिर्फ A1 एक ही कोर्स है और सभी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को सेम डिग्री मिलती है. So MBA Finance I will not compare for this purpose, but all other professional courses that you mentioned, I would say the sheer proof of the pudding lies in the numbers. You look at the total students pursuing all these courses, I think there will be less than the total students pursuing CA. That itself tells you why CA is so much more important. बट जैसा आपने शुरू के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में बताया, अगर आपको मैथ्स नहीं पसंद, अगर आपको लिखा इफ यू आर कॉम्प्रिहेंडिंग, आपको लंबे लंबे एसेज लिखने पसंद है, तो मे बी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का एक कोर्स आप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट मिनट्स, यू कैन डू सेक्रेटरियल कंप्लायंस. अगर कॉस्टिंग आपको बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइट करता है तो मे बी यू कैन डू CMA. बट इफ यू वांट टू बी एन, आई विल नॉट से जैक ऑफ ऑल बट मास्टर ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपको सब कुछ करना है तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इज द कोर्स फॉर यू.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for addressing most of the questions.